Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. I'm doing this video because I'm going to be doing a couple other videos, and they're on rocket stoves. One I purchased and I've used before many times. The other one I did not purchase, was given to me. They're costly, about $100. The other one's actually a lot more than $100. But I wanted to make a video. You don't need an expensive rocket stove. You've seen there's, I don't know, 10,000 videos on using concrete blocks to make a rocket stove out of 4 or 6 concrete blocks. This is an absolutely free rocket stove that I've made. It cost me absolutely zero. I'll tell you the components. You can see the square structure here. Basically what that is, I think it is, I took it from a job site cleanup. It has a slight crack in this side, so I think that's why they didn't use it. It is a liner for a chimney, I believe. I'm not sure. I've never installed these. I've messed with the metal liners, but I'm pretty sure this is a liner for a chimney, so it's a type of ceramic masonry product. So got it for free. On top is a grate. The grate came out of a dog kennel, a large kennel. It was like on the side. I am always saving grates, any type of metal that can make a grate, because you can take that out in the woods where you camp and just leave it. If it gets stolen, it's no big deal. And I have some blocks that are absolutely free. A broken block on the end. This thing is open on both ends. The neat thing about that is you can load it from both sides if you're just looking to get a big fire going and roaring. But when I take and block it off, I defeat my purpose of a rocket stove, and the smoke starts coming out. Right now there's no smoke coming out or no flames, and now you might not be able to see it, but flames are actually shooting out this way. By placing it here, you're creating more of a rocket stove, and you're getting the results you want of the fire going out the top and the smoke going out the top. So it feeds just like it, just like this side. You just put it in, feed it, start your fire. So my cost is absolutely free. So when I show you the 2 other rocket stoves coming up, don't get discouraged and say, oh, I can never prep, I can't afford all this stuff. You don't have to have a lot of money. You just have to be looking for stuff. You might know someone that's in the construction field and say, hey man, I'm looking for one of these. He might be able to get one off a job site for you. The cost is absolutely free. This one works excellent. I think I'm going to take this over to our 64 and put it in the back in a more primitive area that I would love to do some camping in. That way I don't have to worry about a fire, especially right now we haven't had rain in days. I'd hate to have a big fire out. This is so much more self-contained. It's definitely safer. So this one will go over to this property and be placed in the really far away, so I don't have to carry anything in, and I can still cook something when I'm out there. Don't be discouraged you have no money. You just have to use your head, you have to use your initiative, and you're gonna have to improvise. But I'm boiling water here. It's doing great. I like it also because I can put another, if I'm cooking 2 things, I can put it here, I can put it over here, and it's still gonna keep that pan warm or hot. I wouldn't want to touch this right above the fire. So it might be better than a single rocket stove, because I can cook multiple things, or at least cook one thing and keep something else warm. Thanks for watching.